To solve this simple limit problem, as x approaches 2, we can simply fix x is equal to 2. So you can just fix x is equal to 2. We try x is equal to 2. If we get a 0 at the bottom, that means this expression is undefined. But sometimes when you try it, you might get undefined. But in this case, when we fix x is equal to 2, everything flows naturally. So put x is equal to 2 here, we get 2 bracket 2 minus 2 over 2 minus 1. Surprisingly, the denominator comes out clean. So 2 times 2 is 4 minus 2 over 1. You see, this is a very, very straightforward problem, and this gives us 2 over 1, which is 2. All right, so this is how you solve a problem like this. But let's look at another case. In this case, you can see that this one is slightly more complicated, but we can now break this down. You can't just substitute x equal to 0 into this. Everything becomes 0. Okay, we doesn't work like that. So what you want to do is to find a way to break this down. So you can see from this limit that x is common here. So you can bring out x from this expression, and we are left with 8 plus 9x. Okay, at the bottom, x is already out. So x squared minus 9. Okay, so if you look carefully, you see that x can cancel out x. So this expression becomes lame, x approaching 0. And then we have 8 plus 9x at the top. Then x squared minus 9 at the bottom. All right, so we just fix x is equal to 0 into this expression. Okay, when you fix that, you get 8 plus 9 bracket 0 over, in place of x at the bottom, we have 0 squared minus 9. So this becomes 8 plus 9 times 0 becomes 8, okay, which is plus 0, divided by 0 minus 9. When you do that, finally you get minus 8 over 9 as your answer. Okay, so compare the two problems, you see that they are slightly similar. This is how you solve problems around limits. Sometimes you have to substitute or cancel out or reduce the fraction so that it is easy for you to solve. Don't just jump into substitution. If not, you're going to get an undefined problem, or you're going to get 0, which is not always correct. All right, thank you for checking out the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.